Hello, hi everyone. Good evening, good evening. Hello, hello, hello. I just thought I shall go maybe 3 minutes before, as I normally do, and just see and just probably have a conversation with all of you before I get in our guest. Hi, Vamsi, Prabhu, Let's Be Hippie, Neha, and Bashir, Maya. Shravan, hi, hello, nice of you to join in. Hola, hola, how are you? How are things? Hi, Padma. I just thought I'd say come in and say hi a bit. Hi, Happy, Karthik. Thank you so much, Vamsi. Thanks a lot. Thanks for all the support, guys. I thought, this is just something that I thought we'd kind of kickstart. Hi, Abhinay. And to kind of keep conversations going, to keep this space kind of. Hi from Dubai. Hi, Anjana. Nice to. How are things there, by the way? I hope everything is pretty much under control and all of you are safe and good. So yes, I thought that we should keep this going. I know it's been very, very busy. Hi, Rajkuti. Hello, Dinesh, Ankita, Vijay. Hi, guys. So yes, thought we should keep this going because I know it's been hectic. It's what 3 weeks of Rally with Rupa. So thank you guys and welcome to Rally with Rupa. A very special guest joining me in today. So before he comes in, I'm going to just try and say a bit about him. Vijay Shankar, you all know, Tamil Nadu all-rounder. Has obviously, hi Shravan, hola, has obviously been part of the, has had a great couple of seasons in the IPL, was part of the Indian cricket team as well. So, yes, hi John Paul, hi everybody, hello, hello, hello. So, yes, just wanted to see if he's on so we can get him in and get the conversation going. See, so the point here is obviously, I'm also doing a few chats over at the Chennai Super Kings handle. But this is a little different, and I thought we should keep this going. My idea of getting non-cricketers also is still very much alive. I don't know if how fast that can happen, but here's hoping, right? So let's quickly see if Vijay is on just yet. If he isn't, then we'll wait a little more. Yeah, we'll wait a little more. So yes, I want to know how your Sunday's been going. How have you been enjoying or not enjoying lockdown so far? So yes, we'll speak a little bit in Tamil, Vamsi. I'm guessing a little bit, just to get a little bit of the flavor. But yes, we'll try and keep all in English as much as possible, so that everyone can get in and understand. The real Prithviraj, hi Twinkle, hi Mahi. So yes, I know there have been a lot of requests from you guys, a lot of good feedback. I know, by the way, it's been a very hectic Sunday for me today. What have you guys been up to? I've been cooking and cleaning. That's how my lockdown is progressing, by the way. Just finished making dal makhni today. It was quite yum. But yes, social media anchor. Hi Vishal, nice of you to join in. I'm just trying. Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good.
How is lockdown going? You're keeping yourself very busy with a lot of conversations on social media. I like that.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it's good to be engaged with something because we train a lot. We do something morning and evening, but then you need to just find a way to switch off. Also, like you need to have some time to forget things and just enjoy. So I think this is a very good thing to do.
Yes, and guys, just to for all the fans who are obviously saying hi to Vijay, sending all your love to him, do
Hi,
put in
hi,
your
hi.
questions. Of course, our conversations will be going on. Tamil konja konja பேசணும், don't worry, because a lot of people also have to understand. So konja konja Tamil அப்படி வந்தாலும் it'll be nice, but just want to keep everyone tight. Just want to make sure everyone understands. So if you have any questions, please do put it in. I'll make a note of it. If it's there, we'll slip it in for sure, or towards the end. Don't forget. Okay. Yeah, Vijay. So I spoke to
Yeah.
Faf just some days ago, and so I'd spoken to him during the first week of lockdown, and then I spoke to him, I think, a couple of days ago, and his beard had grown nicely. How are you managing this very proper, disciplined look with the hair and the beard? Very important question.
With the beard, I was actually growing a lot, and then suddenly one day I just thought, okay, I should see how it is because we never shave, we never, we trim it up or we just shape it up. So I thought, okay, anyways, I'm going to sit at home. I'm not going to go outside. So let me try to, do a clean shave and see how it is. So just tried that in between. That's why it's like this. Otherwise, I was having, I was having it quite big.
சரி நிறைய ரிக்வெஸ்ட் ஃபார் தமிழ் அப்பப்போ கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல பேசிடலாம் தட்ஸ் ஃபைன்
கண்டிப்பா கண்டிப்பா
எஸ் விஜய் of course இந்த interactions நீங்க பண்றீங்க lot of the interaction that you've been going it's great actually because I think at a time எப்போ there's no sport live cricket எங்கேயுமே இல்ல there's no live sports அவ்வளவா ஒன்னு interactions இல்ல it's pretty much shut did you think that that's a nice way to kind of அப்பப்போ interact பண்ணி to just get everyone involved and be in a happy space அது முக்கியம் as well
Yes, definitely. Like everyone will be sitting at home and ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் இந்த டைம்ல வந்து வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்து எதுவுமே பண்ணாம இருக்கிறது வந்து இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் இருக்கு டு இன்ட்ராக்ட் வித் பீப்புள். ஸோ ஐ திங்க் வி ஷுட் மேக் யூஸ் ஆஃப் இட் இந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல.
But how have you been keeping yourself busy? Because I know Narya Bear have been trying to learn a house skill like cooking. Yeah. DK is like he loves vacuuming. He's like, now my new love is vacuuming. What is your newfound love?
எதுவுமே அத மாதிரி இல்ல ஆக்சுவலா பிகாஸ் I just tried couple of things in kitchen but then it didn't work out. So as in just to help my mom. So அதுவே ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்தது. So I thought அந்த மாதிரி போய் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாம இருக்கிறதா அவங்களுக்கு நான் பண்ற பெரிய ஹெல்ப்னு நினைச்ச ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ்ல. So I'm just doing all this training. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னோட ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண முடியாது obviously. So the shadow practice or the meditation, like meditation is something I'm trying to get better at. ஏன்னா ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்கேன் முன்னாடி பட் இவ்வளோ டைம் இருந்தது கிடையாது. ஸோ இவ்வளோ டைம் இருக்கும்போது ஆப்வியஸா டிவி பார்ப்போம் அண்ட் வி டூ ஆல் அதர் திங்ஸ் மூவிஸ் அந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம். பட் ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் சும்மா எதுவுமே பண்ணாம உட்கார முடியுமா அப்படிங்கறத ஒரு பெரிய சேலஞ்ச். ஸோ அது மட்டும் நான் ட்ரை பண்ண வேண்டியது.
What about movies and stuff? Have you been catching up on any movies?
Yeah. Like I've been watching a lot of movies now. Off late, now generally I don't watch movies much, but off late I've been watching a lot.
Last end the movie பாத்தீங்க?
கண்ணும் கொள்ளையிட்ட.
A lot of people saw that. How was it?
Good.
Actually, I wanted to ask
fun.
You. Good. Yeah, they're saying DK was saying there was some twist also in it and all of that was quite interesting. Okay, I've not yet watched it because I am busy with these chats. No, but I will find time. I will find time to get that done as well.
Yes.
But do you feel that in the lockdown, Nala, you started probably keeping in touch with friends a lot more than you used to?
இல்ல என்னோட friends, my very close friends, அவங்களோட I've always been in touch. So it's not that in the timeல obviously we are talking more, but ஏதாவது புதுசா டாபிக்ல வந்து நிறைய பேசுவோம். But otherwise I'll be in regular touch with them.
Okay, I'm getting a lot of questions on World Cup. Yes, that will be asked. Don't worry, we will get there. We just want to kind of get this warmed up a bit. But speaking of your friends, Vijay, how many close buddies in Tamil Nadu dressing room? How many close buddies would you say? Do you see that as a good environment that has kind of helped you bond? You have some close friends from the TN dressing room?
Yes, I have good friends in TN. And I've been playing for 8-9 years இப்போ. ஸோ நிறைய பேர் வந்து நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண டைம்ல இருந்து நிறைய பிளேயர்ஸ் அந்த டைம் டெபியூ பண்ணோம். So we are all playing. So I have good friends and it is good to have friends in the dressing room because you'll be comfortable. Like any problem or definitely as a cricketer you will go through ups and downs or கொஞ்சம் அந்த mental block or அதாவது இருக்கும். So when you have good friends or when you have people to whom you can go and interact on the time, it will be really helpful. Because Ranji Trophy is going to be a very long time, like or 3-4 months. Overall, Ranji Trophy, Vijayazare, அதெல்லாம் போகும்போது சைட் முஸ்தாகலி எல்லாம் போகும்போது you need someone to talk. Otherwise, it's very difficult. So I actually have good friends, so I can go and talk to them. So கொஞ்சம் fun அந்த மாதிரி நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Who are your best friends in the Tamil Nadu team?
Best friends, Kaushik Gandhi, Sai Kishore. So, like there are a lot of friends. But, I like to go out with everyone. Like for a particular set of people ரொம்ப ரெகுலரா போறதோட I like to go out with everyone. So you'll actually have a good conversation when you go out with everyone. You will know what is happening. So it will be helpful.
You said something very important just a while back, Vijay. So it's there are a lot of ups and downs, and there's so much of mental strength required. I actually wanted to ask you, how do you keep your head in the right space? Because there is a lot of criticism. There is a lot of people who troll. There is so much that is said constantly, and people feel it's their right to talk and give their opinion, because now there is so much more space to do so. How do you keep yourself balanced? And how do you learn to ignore all of the noise?
Sometimes during the tournament, it is better to stay a little away from media. Any kind of even social media, everyone will be active, but during matches you won't have enough time to sit on social media. So and the balance is very important, because even obviously you will get very good comments, as well as you will have people who will troll you, or who will sometimes people might even abuse. So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போதெல்லாம் it is very important for us to know how to take all that. So ரொம்ப அதனால ரொம்ப டிஜெக்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது. யாராவது நல்லா பேசுனால அது பயங்கர ஒரு ஹைலியும் போகக்கூடாது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல only thing that you can do is just be busy with friends, keep yourself occupied. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப important. Then நிறைய டைம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் அந்த டைம்ல. If you're just sitting idle in your room, it's very difficult then.
That is true. Obviously, you mentioned that you shouldn't read any of those comments. But having said that, is there some comment that has stuck in your head? A lot of people think that in the comment you will remember it and you will say, okay, fine, I will prove that wrong in some way. Any comment that is kind of stuck, saying that has hurt you in some way, it happens with everyone.
கண்டிப்பா எல்லாருக்குமே அது இல்லாம சான்ஸே கிடையாது. நான் சில கமெண்ட்ஸ் I've seen for someone like Dhoni or Virat Kohli. So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது other players are nothing. நிறைய இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி.
But how is it like sharing a dressing room with these guys? You've done that, Vijay. You've shared dressing room with a lot of amazing athletes in various teams. Whether it was, let's say, a TNPL team, a Tamil Nadu team, whether it was an IPL team like Sunrisers, whether it was the Indian cricket team, such stalwarts of the game like Virat Kohli, MS, David Warner, Kane Williamson. There's so many to name. Even a Gautam Gambhir, I think you kind of shared a dressing room with.
Yeah.
Your thoughts on being around such big names?
Everyone, they have their own personalities. So individuality, ellame. So the best thing is you can learn a lot by watching them, not just by having any interaction or something, just by watching them prepare for a game, or watching them switch off after a game. So adella it is something very important for a cricketer. So adu madhi vishayangallam I learned a lot, because obviously I was with CSK for 2 years. So on the that was my early 20s. So appo obviously to see someone like MS Dhoni for the first time, or Raina, Mike Hussey. So ivanga mai players la paakumbodhu you will definitely learn something. Anga poita whether you play or you don't, you will definitely learn a lot. Avangala paathe avanga enna pandranga and idu kattunale I'm sure we'll get better. as a cricketer. So that has been my only thing whenever I travel with IPL franchises. So யார்கிட்ட இருந்து என்ன கத்துக்கலாம்ன்ற அந்த ஒரு இது நிறைய இருந்துச்சு எனக்கு.
Is there any nervousness? ஏதாவது nervousness இருக்குமா when you see all these people? Did you, at least for the first time, was there any nervousness?
First time, 100%. First time definitely will have. Because like for the first time IPL போகும்போது வந்து அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம வந்து everyone we would have seen them on TV. அந்த மாதிரி இதா இருக்கும். So to be with them, to travel with them and அவ்வளோ க்ளோஸ் குவார்டர்ஸ்ன்னு பார்க்கறதே வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியா இருக்கும். And then to play with them. So அதெல்லாம் I think is an amazing thing.
Actually, ஒரு question on this which I want to kind of slip it in over here. I think Omkar asked it and Suren. They're asking which is the IPL team that you probably had the best time with? Was it CSK, SRH or DD?
SRH now.
Yeah. You had good memory.
Because it is very important for a player to play. You can be with obviously CSK la வந்து everyone's dream to be part of CSK's team, but then if we don't play there as a cricketer, I'm not going to get any better. So it is very important for me to play. I need to do well. So நல்லா பண்ண தான் I will have that confidence. So when I do well against a team like CSK or against a team like Mumbai, அந்த மாதிரி பெரிய டீம்ஸோட பண்ணும்போது it will give me a lot of confidence. So I'm sure like in Jericho, like the match that I played in Pune was one of my favorites. So
by the way,
definitely I enjoyed.
David Warner has just come in and said go to bed.
He's been very busy.
About you, by the way, I wanted to ask you about you.
He's actually very busy doing all the TikTok and everything. So.
Oh yeah, by the way, great TikTok videos. You should tell him that he imitated Sheila Ki Jawani steps to the T.
Yeah. He's been very busy on social media these days.
Yeah, no, but I actually wanted to ask you about him. A very overawing experience kind of meeting him and interacting with him for the first time.
To be very honest, first time I was very, very nervous because I know like people have told me that he'll be.
Next one is Butta.
So he's very different from others. So for the first time when I met him, I thought okay, he'll be someone very active and he was the captain that year.
Yeah.
So he was like full on. Like I used to go give him water and see him literally screaming like other people. So I know the way in which he plays, the intensity in which he plays is like outstanding. And to do well that year, I think was his best IPL 2016. Yeah.
So I also heard that he actually takes time to watch domestic leagues like a TNPL to spot talent and to kind of observe. I don't know how far that's true, but that's incredible to see everything closely.
And I had a good partnership with him in my second game, so that was the most important innings for me. So that was also very special.
But how has it been playing under different captains, Vijay? You had like a David Warner, a Gautam Gambhir, Virat Kohli as well. I mean, are all of them drastically different in the way they not perform, in the way they interact and in the way they lead?
Yes. They have their own way of
David Warner has responded by the way. He's saying I'm very relaxed and calm.
Oh.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
People
won't it's very hard for people to see that because he always puts towel on his face before he does that. So only people who are standing right next to him will know.
Yeah. He's laughing saying Gautam.
It's everyone they have their own individuality. So they will be like one will have they communicate in a much polite way, like they can say things differently. So only that I found, I found that a bit little different. Otherwise, I think whatever they're trying to say will be more or less similar because they have played the highest level, so things will be more or less the same.
Do you feel the IPL and your momentum, in a sense, and the confidence you got during IPL, especially in SRH, kind of made you a little more comfortable when that India call-up happened and when you shifted to the Indian cricket team? That was, would you say it kind of, I mean, it's two different scenarios, but that confidence kind of helped in some ways?
Yeah, definitely. Because to play in front of such a crowd and to perform in IPL is always been, a top priority for any domestic cricketer. So before I got into the Indian side, something like IPL was very important for me.
David Warner is just saying he's going to go off to bed and he hopes to see you soon. Maybe some thoughts for him for sure. Yes.
See you, good night.
Hope that we all get to see each other soon, David. Thanks for joining in, and yes, and expect some lovely TikTok videos from you soon. Yes, go on, Vijay. You're saying something.
Yeah. So it's very important for all the cricketers domestic cricketers to actually do well in IPL. You will the confidence that you take will be unbelievable. So when you do well in IPL and when you come for a domestic game or even when you go and play an international game, you would have faced similar things in IPL, like the crowd pressure or playing the top bowlers and everything. So it's a very, very big platform for us.
A lot of people ask this question, so I'm going to slip that in right now, Vijay. I think Omkar definitely asked, and so did It's Me, I think, about, and a few others asked about your World Cup game against Pakistan. How much of a high did that give you? And just take us through that moment, that day, in a sense, what happened in the dressing room afterwards.
That moment, like to play that game and to get the wicket of the first ball, all that was really outstanding for me. Like I was really feeling good about that. But then once the match got over, things just moved on because we had a lot of other games. So it was very important for us to just forget that and move on. So it's very, when you have matches coming up after a few days, it's very important for us to just forget it and focus on the next game. And I have actually told this before. So MS Dhoni, when he gave me advice during New Zealand series, he just told me whatever highs or lows that you face, you learn to be neutral. So that is something very important for me. So after that game, I would have got a lot of messages, but then it was important for me to go back to what he told me before. So that was a great advice that I got from him.
But how was that whole campaign for you, Vijay? I mean, it was nice also to have a few people. I mean, it's always nice, like you see, on the comfort level, you've shared dressing room with someone like a DK, of course. Basu is always there, for that comfort and for that familiarity. In that sense, how was that campaign for you, and how much what do you take away from that experience?
I think it was important for me to have someone, like DK or someone, because you need to feel comfortable there. And definitely after the initial phase, you will start feeling comfortable. But on the start level, like 2 or 3 sessions, you should have people whom you have been with. It makes things even more comfortable. So on the money, it really helped me.
If dressing room you can even pick across dressing rooms, whether it's SRH or the Tamil Nadu dressing room or the Indian dressing room. Who do you think would have been the most restless in the lockdown timeline? Who would not be able to survive this lockdown?
I think Dinesh Karthik.
Yeah, he was saying now they know also I'm super restless. They let me be, but yeah, he'll keep wanting to do something. What about you? You're able to be by yourselves and.
Like we have to find a way to டைம் பாஸ் பண்றதுக்கோ இல்லைன்னா ட்ரைனிங் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ்ல ட்ரைனிங்கும் போர் அடிச்சிருச்சு ஆக்சுவலா. டெய்லி பண்ணி இதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல. ஸோ படம் ஜஸ்ட் ஹேவ் டு டூ சம்திங் டு கீப் ourselves busy.
But is it nice in some ways spending time with family? Otherwise, you're constantly traveling.
Yeah, definitely because we keep traveling, so there is a time where we can spend time with family. Like I have my niece also, so like I can spend more time with her. So like andamari ishatla it is really good.
How old is your niece?
She'll be turning 5 next month.
Is it difficult keeping like a young kid occupied all the time?
Yeah, very difficult. So I can take care of her for like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that.
Imagine
Very
parents
difficult.
everywhere who are having kids running around in the house. It's quite
Very difficult.
But if I had to ask you one thing that you were missing apart from cricket, of course, Vijay, அந்த ஒரு விஷயம் என்ன நீங்க ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்றீங்க இந்த லாக்டவுன்னால, நீங்க என்ன சொல்லுங்க?
Travel or driving. Like driving like I love driving, so I think that will be something I'll miss. I am missing.
And if I had to ask you, சரி லாக்டவுன்ல முடியுது, everything gets over, everything life slowly gets back to normal, who's the first person you will visit or meet after lockdown ends?
First person, like the first thing that I'll do is I'll go straight to Guru Nanak College and sit the whole day. யார் அங்க வந்தாலும் okay, because like before this lockdown I was only doing that. I was sitting in the ground like till evening 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So எதுவுமே பண்ணலைனாலும் சும்மா போய் கிரவுண்ட்ல I was spending time. So in the lockdown எடுத்தோன்னே first thing is I'll just go and sit in the ground.
Who is that? Kaushik is on, is it?
Yeah, Kaushik Gandhi. Don't read his
Hi,
message, just read
Kaushik.
it.
I just saw his name just go up there. பல girlfriends இருந்தா. I like it. Please tease him. Yeah, someone say something like that. It'll be fun then. I'm being too nice to Vijay. Of course, there was one question that came in, by the way. Vijay, do you have a girlfriend? I'm sure it was a girl who asked.
No. No.
In this lockdown time, I don't think any of us can have a relationship. It's kind of getting very difficult.
Yeah, it's very
But
difficult. Yeah.
Yeah, it is distance. But what's the one learning do you think for you? That or change, that or learning that you feel you've got from this particular situation? அப்படி கேட்டா என்ன சொல்லுங்க?
Patience. ஏன்னா like every day morning or 5 o'clock we'll go up to practice and then training and then again practice. மதியே இருந்துட்டு கொஞ்ச மாதிரி சும்மா இருக்கிறது அந்த லைக் வடிவேல் காமெடில வர மாதிரி தான், சும்மா இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அந்த மாதிரி தான். Very difficult.
Yeah, it's easy to be busy.
Like it's but you can't do anything. You'll have to sit quietly at home. Restless இருந்தாலும் வந்து it is not good to show it to someone at home. So just enjoy this அவ்வளவுதான்.
No, but it was nice, Vijay. Nice of you to take some time out and kind of chat with us. And it was nice that your friends also dropped in. So it was equally enjoyable for all of us. Poga, if you want to tell your fans anything, any message you want to give, for sure, please. I'm sure they'll want to listen.
இன்னும் பெரிய மெசேஜ்ல நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க இந்த டைம். You won't get this again. So it might be difficult, but then let's try to enjoy this.
Yeah. And obviously stay safe for sure.
Yes.
But hopefully things get back to normal soon, Vijay. We hope we have cricket soon. We hope things get better soon. I think that's the thing.
Yes, definitely.
And I hope to see you in person rather than on video chat. But yes,
Yeah.
Thank you so much for this. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Kaushik, what a message. Kaushik. Put it behind autos. Yes, I will petition for that.
கண்டிப்பா போட்டு விட்டுறேன்.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Take care. Talk to you soon.
Yes. Bye.
Alright, guys. Thanks. Thank you for joining in. I think it was amazing that you all came in and had this conversation. Just wanted to say, if there's any feedback you have, any suggestions, anything that you want to tell about Rally with Rupa series, please do that. And thanks for being a part of this. Do not forget, in a few hours from now on the Chennai Super Kings handle, I will be going live with DJ Bravo. So do fill in your questions, inbox me, message me on Twitter, on Facebook, also here. And see you all then. Have a great Sunday and stay safe.